Here's my unboxing of XFX Vega 56. Before we get started, I just want you to take a look at these Gigabyte Wind Force AMD R9 380Xs. This is a 4 GB card, core clock at 980, memory 1425. I have 2 of these, and when I won the lottery, I got a 4K monitor, and these graphics cards could not power the 4K. So what I did was I worked like a good United States citizen. Gonna make America great again, folks. And I paid my taxes, flew my flag high, and I bought one of the best video cards on the planet. That's right, the Vega 56. Ain't she a beauty? Let's take a closer look. Here we've got the Sapphire Pulse RX Vega 56. High bandwidth cache, next gen compute units, Radeon FreeSync 2. Alright, 8 GB high bandwidth memory, HBM2. Side, bottom, top. Let's check out the back. Three display ports, virtual reality ready. Yeah. Okay. This is great and all, but I'm sure we all want to see what it looks like. So let's take a look inside. Okay, we got a cardboard box. Inside a cardboard box, got the standard foam here. Oh, what's this? Graphics card quick installation guide. Okay, that might come in handy. What's this? Blank piece of paper? No, we got made in Germany, Hong Kong. Cool. Good to know my hard money I made in America is going straight to Hong Kong. Maybe that's why there's no jobs out there right now. Oops. Okay. So what do you think is inside here? I think it's what could it be? It could be a rock. Hope it's not a rock. Let's take a peek. Pretty heavy. Could be a rock. Could be a video card. Could be. Let's see. It looks like a video card to me. Let's check it out. It's not very easy to get out of the silicone bag. Holy shit. That was scary. But we did it. Cool. Let's take this plastic off. My, oh my, is she beautiful or is she beautiful? Holy smokes. Whoo! Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, you're very well built. There she is. Oh, baby. Look at that. Look at that. That is a fine piece of technology right there. Okay, let's set her down. Look at that cooler. I almost cut myself. Ouch. And that's the unboxing of the Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX Vega 56. I'm not going to videotape putting it into my system. You can imagine. Ooh.